you're like, and I could just be present with those, not have to fix it, not have to figure it out. And the thing about this intentional touch, as you call it, what it does is it really grounds you and makes that you're in this moment with that person.
Right. And whatever else is in the moment is with you too, and you're aware of that. And that awareness matters too. You know, like I feel sad sometimes, actually a lot. And I'm not always aware of it, but I was super, super hyper aware of it when we had our fingers just like this. Like, that's it. It's all it was. But like, it was profound. Like, whoa, I was surprised like how deeply I felt, and our fingertips had just touched. That's all it was. And I don't know if it was the touch or the connection or like both of those things or all of them, but it was really like impactful. And then we got to here, and that was amazing. When we did some like energy stuff, I don't know as much about that, but it was really cool. And then in the next because that was the end of that session, we went to the next session. You can interrupt me like anytime.
Well, you can just nutshell all of them at this point. So, well, I'm press a little button here. I will say, because we can go into details and be here forever, but like one of the things that I have found, I sometimes wonder if it's going to take forever. Like, my goodness, to take them from like no touch to touch is going to be a really long process. But what I've noticed about you is that you're moving very quickly. And I think it really isn't about touch. I mean, it is, like, touch is the vehicle, but there is, like, you were just, like, right now you even said it when it's like, it needs to be intentional. And I think a lot of our touch isn't intentional. And I think my assessment is that you're actually very welcoming of touch.
That's interesting.
And
I wouldn't have said that.
I know, but like, you seem very easy with this process. Like, I don't think I've felt any resistance. Or any struggle. Like,
well, what would resistance even feel like? I don't know what that would
shut down. No way, I'm not doing it.
Oh, right.
Like, you're like, either you trust me, either it could be me, but I think it's not me. I think it just needs, at some point, you'll find other people that you like, this is the kind of person that I can do this with. Yeah. And I find you very comfortable with all this.
Well, the really cool thing is that, like, you're modeling what that kind of person is like. So, yeah, it is you. It's not just you. But, like, that matters.
It does matter.
Yeah, so I think that's what you meant the first time we talked about it. But, you know, it's been amazing and cool. And I think we are moving pretty quickly, and I'm surprised at that. I thought, you know, it took me, well, first of all, it took me 5 years to cry in therapy. 5 years. Like, one time, I still haven't, like, more. And there's a lot of things to cry about. You know, it took me 5 years to do that, but, like, 5 sessions-ish, and we're touching. And that's interesting. Yeah.
And I guess there's other little details people don't realize about this work. The touch, you were explaining, there's different ways of touching, and intention behind the ways of touching. Yeah. And so Becky's been able to also explore touching for herself, to take touch, and really give permission for her to touch me. And there's, again, a lot of beliefs that come to the surface around that, where you've needed to question, like, are those things true that, for example, you're not touchable, or can you safely touch me? Like, are you gonna hurt me? You know, like things like that around, like, the things that come up around touch, that there's stories that we've believed because of something that's happened, or and so really, again, it's about touch, but it's also about questioning the stories behind the things that keep us from touching each other.
Yeah, and that's important too. There's just so much that goes to it. It's very layered. It's not simple. It's not like I'm good, high five and we're good. It's like there's way, way more to it than just touching.
It's our identity.
Yeah.
Yeah, who are you? And are you safe? Are you gentle? Are you desirable? So.
Yeah, I'm figuring that out.
So now we're going to end our video, moving into our 6th session?
Fifth?
Wait,
I don't know.
Moving into our 5th session. And
who's counting?
We make it horizontal. But not like what you think. Like, I think people think, I think horizontal, oh my gosh, But like, we're getting away from hands and arms, and maybe looking into, like, little toes touching.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't really told her any of my ideas yet, but, like,
tell me your ideas.
What happens if our little toes touch? Or if
what happens?
What happens if our elbows touch? What happens if our side of our legs touch? And
Yeah. Oh, can I say one more thing?
Yeah,
and also, I think it's important if you're somebody who just like wants to know what happens if those things happen. This is a really cool place to do that, because it gives you a place to explore those things safely. And in a place where you can trust the other person, and that what they're gonna do is agreed upon, consensual, and that matters. I don't need to say why. It just does.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is a really amazing program. It's so cool. And Janet's awesome. You're so awesome. I love working with Janet. I feel like I'm talking to one of my kids' parents. Janet is amazing. She comes to rehearsal prepared. I'm kidding. I'm a band teacher, choir teacher. But anyway, you are really good at this work. And I'm the last person that was going to show up to something scary and new that had to do with physical anything with anybody. It's our 5th session, and I can't wait to get here and like work with Janet every week. It's awesome. I'm really privileged and fortunate that I get to find you. Like, that's so cool.
They live in my city.
I know, right? Like, what were the
People
odds?
all over the world.
Yeah,
I can't.
I know. Yeah.
They just like come here.
Yeah, it's really, really incredible. And your program is amazing. The modality is really cool. Like, using touch to communicate just matters so much, and there's such a need for it. Like, I personally had a need for it, but like there's a whole societal need for this work. So it's really amazing that you're doing this.
Well,
It's
you're
cool.
one of my prototypes. I'm like, what is it? Like, I'm a scientist and I'm experimenting on you.
Hey, you know what? I'm a scientist too. So we agree on that.
Like, yeah, and creating this together, and so far so good.
Yes.
So
It's all been really good work. All of it.
thank you.
No regrets.
And also, of course, Becky. I feel like you've shown up.
Yeah, well, I want
You're
to.
ready.
Yeah, I want to. And getting to a point where you want to sometimes takes 27 years.
And, okay, one last thing. I was shocked. I didn't know this until you told me that, we're counting spoons here, right? Like, and so my sessions actually give spoons. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Come and get new spoons if you need them.
Yes. Even wooden spoons.
Ooh, we did a wooden spoon thing.
ReTouch.
Yeah, Earth.
Anyway.
That was a really good. I learned a lot about you with a wooden spoon.
It was really cool. I was like, oh, it's a spoon, but it wasn't just a spoon. It was the feeling of it, the groundedness of it. Yeah.
That like hard.
It's cool. So.
All right, y'all. Kisses. Do you have a sign off?
Bye. Thank you. This has been fun. It's great. Go see Janet. She's great.